Okay, so February 6th, 2014, our student expectation for today, what you're going to be doing. Students will begin writing functions by identifying important pieces in a word problem. That means you're going to pull out what's important and turn it into an equation or a function. Okay? A function is a math sentence. Okay? It's a math sentence that's true for a specific situation. Example we've got is that Coach Jackson eats 2 eggs every day. How can we know how many eggs Coach Jackson eats in nth days? Nth stands for number. Okay? So if I eat 2 eggs for every day, then it's very easy for us to say, hey, that's 2 times nth. Nth just being the number of days. Okay? I can write that like this, or I can write it like this, and both are the exact same thing. Okay? That's all we're going to do. We're going to identify the important parts, like I have here underlined, and create our solution. Now your HLQ for the day is to create a word problem of your own and a function to solve it. Okay? We're going to do some simple word problems, for example 1 and example 2. Hopefully those will give you some ideas. Okay? So example 1, we're going to talk about Brittany. No, I don't mean Brittany Solis in 4th period. Alright? I'm making up this person. So Brittany wants to buy a $200 coat. She makes $7 an hour babysitting. If Brittany already has 50 bucks, write a function that shows how many hours she still needs to babysit. Okay. The cost is important. The fact that she makes $7 an hour is important, and that she has $50 is important. If I am writing an equation, okay, $200 is where I start, because that was the cost of the coat. Well, this $200 is equal to the $50 she already has, plus the $7 she makes per hour. Now, I used HR to demonstrate number of hours. If you saw this as a true function, it would be written one of 2 ways. Either 200 equals 50 plus 7x, where x is the hours, or it could be written 200 equals 7x plus 50. The order of the x and plus 50, those don't matter nearly as much as the placement of the total cost opposite what you already have. Okay? Hope that understand. Hope it makes sense to you. We're going to try it again with John. Okay? John wants to get a new cell phone. That costs $300. We know that's important. If he already has 78, write a function to solve for what he still needs. Okay. He wants a new cell phone. What does that new cell phone cost? Well, that new cell phone costs $300. What does he have? He has 78. Okay. Now, if he still needs more money to make it to 300, if he needs more, then we're going to have to add. What are we going to have to add? Well, that's what we don't know. That's the part of the function we have to solve for. So x represents the amount of money he still needs to make. Now, it can be written like this. It could be written like this. It could even be written like this. Oop. There's a lot of different ways to write it. Again, what you have to understand is what he has to be opposite of what his total is, or what he's going to need. Okay? Sorry, I was eating a biscuit. Let me say that again. What he has, or what he's going to need total, has to be opposite of what he has. Total, opposite of what he has. Total, opposite of what he has. When I say opposite, I mean the equal sign is between what he has and what he needs altogether. Alright? So this is, what is this? You should be watching this Wednesday night. I'll see you in class Thursday.